Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Sarah, your host, and I'm very happy to have you with us today. In this podcast, we will help you improve your English through simple and natural conversations. We will learn new words, useful expressions, and everyday English that you can use in real life. And I'm not alone today. Joining me is my friend and co-host, Omar. Omar is here to share interesting ideas, ask questions, and help make learning English fun and easy for everyone. Omar, welcome to the podcast. Could you please introduce yourself to our listeners?
Thank you, Sarah. Hello, everyone. My name is Omar, and I'm excited to be here with you. I love learning languages, and together with Sarah, we'll practice English through friendly conversations on different topics. Whether you're a beginner or already know some English, we hope you'll enjoy our podcast and learn something new in every episode.
That's great, Omar. So, dear listeners, get comfortable, listen carefully, and let's start improving our English together. Let's begin. Hi, Omar. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking.
What time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Do you usually wake up early?
Yes, I do. I like starting my day early.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I make my bed. Then I have breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, bread, and drink a cup of coffee.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I usually have tea and some fruit.
That's healthy.
After breakfast, I go to work.
How do you get to work?
I drive my car.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
That's not too bad.
No, it's not.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and watching documentaries.
Really? What kind of books do you like?
I like books about history and personal development.
That's interesting.
What about you? What do you do in your free time?
I like learning languages and listening to podcasts.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak Arabic, English, and a little French.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
Why are you learning English?
Because English is useful for work, travel, and communication.
I agree. English opens many opportunities.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I do.
How do you practice?
I watch English videos and read short articles.
Do you also practice speaking?
Yes, sometimes I talk to myself in English.
That's a good idea.
It helps me become more confident.
Many people are afraid of speaking English.
That's true.
What advice would you give them?
Don't be afraid of making mistakes.
That's excellent advice.
Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language.
Exactly.
The important thing is to keep practicing.
How many new words do you learn every week?
Maybe 20 or 30 words,
That's great.
but I try to use them in sentences.
That's the best way to remember vocabulary.
I think so too.
What is your favorite English word?
My favorite word is opportunity,
Why?
because it reminds me that every day brings new opportunities.
I like that.
What is your favorite word?
My favorite word is progress.
That's a nice word.
Yes, learning a language is all about progress.
Not perfection.
Exactly. Progress, not perfection.
That's a great message for learners.
Before we finish, let's give our listeners one final tip.
My tip is, listen to English every day, even for 10 minutes.
And my tip is, learn English step by step and be patient.
Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
Keep learning.
And see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel Learning Spark, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Also, follow us on our social media platforms for more English tips, daily expressions, and extra practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.